Good day, everyone. Looking at this equation, you might be thinking it is a difficult equation to solve, but I would like you to follow me as I'm solving this in order for you to get the solution better. This is x minus 1 all raised to the power of x equals to 81. Now, if you look at your left-hand side, it is expressed in index form. Therefore, I need to express 81 as well in index form. And how do I do that? I can do this in two different ways, which is x minus 1 all raised to the power of x equals to 81. And this will become x minus 1 all raised to the power of x equals to 81 can be expressed in index form in different way, either by 9 raised to the power of 2, either by 3 raised to the power of 4. Now, I am taking the first step. If I'm taking the first step as 9 times 9, 9 times 9 is equal to 81. And that means x minus 1 raised to the power of x is equals to 9 raised to the 9 times 9 is equal to 81. But 9 can also be expressed in index form as 3 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. Now, if you look at everything, both left hand side and right hand side, they are both expressed in index form. But now, looking at the right hand side, if you look at the right hand side, you will see that what? It is basically similar to law of indices called multiplication law. Now, let me give you a clue of multiplication law here. If you have a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, since the bases are equal, all you needed to do is to add the powers together as a raised to power m plus n. So which means from here, the value of 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 will become 3 raised to power 2 plus 2. And x minus 1 all raised to the power of x will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 4. Now, what the question asks us to do is to find the value of x. And this will be gotten by saying x minus 1 all raised to the power of x will be equals to what could be the value of x, because we need to do comparison of left hand side and right hand side in order to get our final answer, and that will be equals to 4 minus 1 all raised to the power of 4. 4 minus 1 will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 4. Now, what we needed to do now is to compare the value of x. X is equivalent to 4. The value of x minus 1 here is equivalent to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. That shows that what? That implies that x is equal to 4. If you substitute the value of x, which is equal to 4, into the equation, you will see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. That is just the simple way of solving the question. But the other way around, assuming you are in the examination hall and you are a kind of person that always think very fast, we are still going to arrive to the same answer, and I'm taking the second step to answer the same question. Please follow me as I go as well. Now, as a mature mind solving this question, I will not take it as x minus 1 raised to the power of x equals to 81 as 9 times 9. As a mature mind, what comes to my mind, basically, I myself is x minus 1 raised to the power of x equals to 3 raised to the power of 4. I don't need to stress myself, since I know that 3 multiplied by itself 4 times is going to give me 81. So that means what? In order for me to get the value of my x, I need to compare the left hand side and the right hand side together. X minus 1 all raised to the power of x is equal to 4 minus 1 all raised to the power of 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4. Comparing the two sides together, that implies that what? X is equal to 4 in a simple and fastest way. Thank you. Follow me for more. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Just hit the plus sign to follow me for more. Thank you.